Hey there, welcome to our YouTube Shorts. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 mindful tips for boosting neural network growth. Tip number 1. Practice mindfulness meditation. This practice can help improve focus and attention, which are essential for neural network growth. Tip number 2. Engage in regular physical exercise. Exercise has been shown to increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons. By incorporating these mindful tips into your daily routine, you can support the growth of your neural network and improve your cognitive function. Remember, small actions every day can lead to big changes in the long run. Uplifting ending sentence: take care of your brain, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mindfulness and personal growth. See you next time.
Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered when self-driving cars will truly revolutionize the way we live? Well, get ready for the surprising moment when everything changes. One of the key ways self-driving cars will change everything is by drastically reducing accidents on the road. With advanced sensors and technology, these vehicles are much safer than human drivers, leading to fewer collisions and injuries. Another major impact will be on transportation accessibility. Self-driving cars have the potential to provide mobility to those who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or individuals with disabilities. This newfound freedom will transform the way people get around and improve quality of life for many. So, get ready for the surprising moment when self-driving cars will change everything. The future is closer than you think. Uplifting ending sentence: embrace the possibilities of self-driving cars, and get excited for a world with safer roads and greater accessibility for all. Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about how to boost neural network performance with confidence-boosting techniques. One key technique to improve neural network performance is by implementing data augmentation. By increasing the diversity of your training data through techniques such as rotation, flipping, and scaling, you can help your model generalize better and increase its accuracy. Another important aspect to consider is the use of dropout layers. These layers help prevent overfitting by randomly dropping out a certain percentage of neurons during training, forcing the network to learn more robust features and improving its generalization capabilities. By implementing these confidence-boosting techniques, you can greatly enhance the performance of your neural network models and achieve more reliable results. Remember, a little boost in confidence can go a long way in improving your model's performance. So go ahead and give these techniques a try in your next project. Hey there, fellow VR enthusiasts! Have you ever thought about the surprising benefits of consistent virtual reality habits? Let's dive in and explore the incredible advantages that come with immersing yourself in the virtual world on a regular basis. First off, did you know that consistent VR habits can actually improve your physical health? By engaging in virtual reality fitness games and workouts, you can increase your cardiovascular endurance, build strength, and even improve your balance and coordination. It's like having a personal trainer right in your living room. Next, let's talk about the mental benefits of regular VR use. Studies have shown that virtual reality can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve cognitive function, and even enhance memory retention. So, Next time you need a mental health boost, consider escaping into the virtual world for a little while. So, whether you're looking to improve your physical health, boost your mental well-being, or simply have some fun, consistent virtual reality habits can truly enhance your life in unexpected ways. So, why not strap on that headset and dive in today? Remember, the possibilities are endless in the world of virtual reality. Happy exploring! Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the world of artificial intelligence and witness the shocking moment when technology fails us. It's a common misconception that AI is infallible, but the truth is, even the most advanced technology can experience breakdowns. In a matter of seconds, success can turn into chaos when AI fails to perform as expected. What's important to remember is that these failures are opportunities for growth and improvement. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology, we must be prepared for these setbacks and learn from them. In the end, it's not about the failures themselves, but how we rise from them. So, the next time AI fails, remember that success is just moments away. Stay positive, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for success.